2018 Subaru Impreza review. The 2018 Subaru Impreza finishes in the bottom third of our compact car S. It's a spacious, practical vehicle, but it doesn't do enough to stand out in an extremely competitive class. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Good fuel economy. Standard all-wheel drive. Spacious seats. Uninspiring engine. Middling cabin quality. Yes, the Subaru Impreza is a good car. It's available as a sedan and a hatchback, and both models have 2 rows of spacious seats. There are several available driver assistance features, and the infotainment system is easy to use. Cargo space is good in the hatchback, but it's slightly below average in the sedan. The Impreza gets good fuel economy, but that's partly because the engine lacks the power for you to ever drive aggressively. It's fine for daily driving, but it's undeniably sluggish. On the bright side, the Impreza comes standard with all-wheel drive, which is something most compact cars don't even offer. The Impreza is a car that delivers practicality but is short on personality. It's not overly expensive, but it's hard to recommend this Subaru when many comparably priced compact cars deliver more value. The Honda Civic and Mazda 3, for example, have price tags within a few $100s of the Impreza's. Both are available in multiple body styles, and both have more upscale interiors than the Subaru. The 2018 Subaru Impreza will not turn heads with its athletic performance. There's only one available engine, and it feels underpowered in most situations. Despite the excellent road grip afforded by the standard all-wheel drive, the Impreza is hardly a corner carver, though handling is generally poised. Ride quality is fine most of the time, and fuel economy is good for the class. The Impreza comes with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that puts out 152 horsepower. A 5-speed manual transmission or a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT is standard, depending on the trim. Some drivers may think the engine is fine for driving around town, but others will be disappointed. The acceleration is lethargic, and the power for quick highway passing and merging just isn't there. Though all-wheel drive cars are usually less fuel efficient than two-wheel drive cars, the Impreza gets some of the best gas mileage among non-hybrid compact cars. It earns an estimated 28 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway in sedan models. Hatchbacks earn nearly identical ratings, 2,837 miles per gallon city highway. The Impreza comes standard with all-wheel drive. It provides plenty of road grip and aids the Impreza's poised handling. No other compact car even offers all-wheel drive, aside from some performance variants in the other Subaru in the class, the WRX, which also has standard AWD. The Impreza's ride is smooth, though some road imperfections transmit into the cabin. The 2018 Subaru Impreza has an attractive interior, but it won't blow you away. There are soft-touch materials scattered about, though there are also hard plastics that give off a low-rent feeling. Both rows of seats are spacious, and there is a user-friendly infotainment system. Cargo space is below average in the sedan but above average in the hatchback. The Impreza seats 5 people and comes standard with cloth upholstery. Leather upholstery, heated front seats, and a power-adjustable driver's seat are available. The front seats are spacious, and it's easy to find a comfortable driving position. Visibility is good in all directions. The rear seats have enough head and legroom even for tall adults. The Impreza comes with 2 complete sets of latch connectors for installing child safety seats. The 2 rear board seats each have a set of lower anchors, and each rear seat has an upper tether anchor. If you plan to strap in a safety seat onto the rear middle seat, you need to borrow a lower anchor from each of the outboard positions. Standard features in the Impreza include a 4-speaker audio system, a rear-view camera, and the Starlink infotainment system with a 6.5-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth audio streaming, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Available features include automatic climate control, a moonroof, push-button start, an 8-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, satellite radio, HD radio, Subaru's EyeSight safety system which includes lane keep assist, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, reverse automatic braking, and an upgraded infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Unlike some rivals, the Impreza comes standard with cutting-edge connectivity features for Apple and Android phones. They make it easy to pair your phone with the car, and they work well thanks to the touchscreen's sharp graphics. The system is intuitive, and there are redundant physical controls for some functions. The Impreza sedan has a 12.3 cubic foot trunk. Hatchback models have 20.8 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 55.3 cubic feet with the seats folded. The Impreza sedan's trunk is smaller than many other compact sedans, but the Impreza hatchback's cargo space tops most competitors in the class.